Nestled in the Western Ghats of Maharashtra lie the twin hill stations of Panchgani and Mahableshwar. The hill towns are known for its delicious strawberries, numerous points, and wonderful weather year-round. I stayed at one of the oldest hotels in Panchgani and have been a regular here for more than a decade. The Mount View Hotel offers spectacular views of the Krishna River Valley. The hotel has a cozy, homely feel and serves some of the most delicious Parsi cuisine. For a detailed video on the hotel, you can check out my previous vlog from here. A link to the same is in the description box.
I made it here in time for the sunset and I enjoyed a beautiful sunset from the lovely Tableland. And this is the second largest plateau in Asia after the Tibetan plateau. And as you can see behind, there are lots of stalls. There's horse riding that people can do here. But I just came here to enjoy the sunset, which was totally worth it. And the best time to actually see this plateau is during the end of the monsoons, around September, October. This place is covered with flowers. I mean, I've been here at that time and it was so beautiful. There's also a lake over here, which obviously is now dried out, but you only get to see that during the monsoon and post-monsoon. So that's the best time to come if you want to. And of course, year-round it's nice. Even in summer right now, it is extremely pleasant. Very cool evening. I've come to the Macro Garden and just reached the restaurant, so now I'm going to order my strawberry and cream. Having it after like maybe 4 months. The last time I had this was in Jan at the Lonavala outlet. Look at the strawberry. It's like loaded with strawberries and loads of cream. That is a whole lot. I mean, it's a meal by itself. It's a little too much cream, but it's okay. Mix it with the strawberries and have. Good morning. It's day 2 and woke up to the sound of all the lovely birds here and it's absolutely amazing. Well, we just had breakfast and now we are on our way out to go exploring, and my plan is to first go for some strawberry picking and we'll probably visit a few more places before coming back for lunch, and we'll rest for a bit, and then of course post lunch we'll be out again. So let's see how much we can cover today, because stepping out in the heat can be quite a challenge. It's pretty hot from 1 to 4. So come on, let's go exploring on day 2. I just reached the farm and what you see behind me are all the mulberry trees, and I will come back and show you the mulberry trees. But before that, I'm gonna go pick some strawberries and then come back for the mulberries. And that's my starter for the day. Let's go strawberry picking. That's a strawberry flower. I am going to pick some of my own strawberries right now, and the guy is also filling me a box. It seems this year the crop is comparatively less, and of course it's almost the end of season, but still I'm glad I at least got to finally make it here in time again for strawberry season, because it's been a long time, as I said. Okay, here's one nice one. Pretty sweet now because it's the end of the season, so sweet and a little tangy. The joy of picking your own fruit and eating it. Nothing beats that. I always say it. It's a completely different experience. Actually plucking and eating the fruit. After I'm done with some strawberries, I'm going to go and attack the mulberry trees, which I can see right now surrounding this entire field. So there's a whole lot of mulberry trees too. I'm going to show you that in just a bit. Meanwhile, let me grab a few more strawberries. Let's look at the number of mulberries. They are so huge. So the best time to get mulberries on the trees is April and part of May. Very short season, but completely worth it. Just look at that. I remember one year I was here with my family and a few of my friends, and the way I kept eating mulberries, like my tongue and my teeth were completely black. So probably in a little while you're going to see that again. Always go and request a farmer before entering the fields. Ask if you can pick the fruit, pay for whatever you pick. So yeah, I'm going to get a box, maybe a box or two for myself, and tomorrow when I'm heading back I'll probably carry back some more. I'm going to get at least a box now to eat for today. Okay, see this, the fruit is like bleeding onto my hands and my face. That's a little gooseberry tree here. Now they also used to have raspberry, which I remember plucking from a few years back, but sadly that tree, they cut it down recently, so I can't show you guys the raspberries. But yeah, this is a very good farm. I've now come to the cheese factory, and the cheese factory is just there behind, and recently a lot more new places have opened up over here. So they have some honey place and some berry stuff. So let me see, I'm going to go and check out the rest of the places, as well as I'm going to go to the cheese factory as well to get some cheese. Come into the shop, for fragrances and perfumes and a whole lot of natural products. This is just where the cheese factory is, and they have some amazing stuff. I mean, I personally liked a lot of their products, so I got myself a goodie bag. Strawberries, mulberries. gooseberries. Well, it's been a lovely morning. Even though it was hot and sunny, I still managed to cover quite a few places, and now the sun has gone. I wish it was like this, the real, as they say, pahado wali feeling, the dull climate, without any sun. But anyway, we just finished lunch, and now while the rest of my family and my kids are relaxing, I came out for a walk to just, yes, okay, so hear the birds, and I'm just walking around, chilling on the swings, and I'll wait for some time before I freshen up, and then we'll be out again. So let's see. Now I plan to go down to Mahableshwar. So far, whatever I have covered has only been in Panchgani, and now finally we're going to drive down to Mahableshwar and go to the market, and I'll show you all a bit. That's one place I really love to go to, is the Mahableshwar market. I mean, it has a completely different vibe. I'm not really fond of shopping as such, but that's one market I love to go to, and I've already done a lot of shopping today, which I honestly didn't plan. I mean, I bought jams and soaps and face mist and honey and I don't know what not. So we picked up quite a lot of stuff. So anyway, I'll see you all in some time, and later on in Mahableshwar. So I returned back to the same farm because I had placed an order for some other vegetables. So I came to collect it and order for some more fruits to take back with me tomorrow when I leave in the morning. And guess what the farmer just gave me? Fresh strawberries, which he's just plucked from the farm. And look at this. It looks so cute in a purple cabbage leaf. So I'm going to munch on these while I head on towards Mahableshwar.
The Vena Lake is a popular tourist attraction in Mahableshwar. Tourists can enjoy a boat ride over the lake or a horse ride next to the lake. A number of small eateries line the banks of the lake. However, on this trip, I skipped a visit to the lake as I was here for less than 48 hours.
Finally reached the market, and thankfully it's a weekday, so it's not as crowded, which is good. Otherwise, yeah, during COVID I try to avoid the crowded days and very crowded places, but sometimes you don't have a choice. But this is definitely one of my favorite markets to explore. It's just so vibrant, and you get like a whole lot of stuff, and just see how far it goes back there. And you get everything here, from candy to good chappals, shoes, dry fruits, chicky, you name it, you'll get everything here. Check out this bakery here, how old it is, and it's a lovely little bakery, and they have some amazing cakes and pastries and muffins. So I just packed some, and if you're ever in Mahableshwar, walk to the end of the market, and that's where you'll find it, on the left hand side. Thank you. I'm back at Mapro Garden, and today being my last night, everybody wanted to have strawberries and cream because we don't know when we'll get next get to enjoy it. After all, it's the end of strawberry season, and it's the end of my short trip. Good morning. It's day 3 and time for me to check out shortly. After breakfast, we'll check out. I'll head back to the farm because I need to pick up a few more things. I've ordered some strawberries and mulberries. Well, I just came to quickly grab some strawberries which I placed an order for yesterday, and mulberries, of course. Back to have some more mulberries. I was not going to come and pluck, but the farmer told me go and have some mulberry. He's so sweet. I mean, he knows me for a long time, so I get this special privilege. Look at the size of these. Okay, I think I've had enough for now. The rest I'll have from my boxes. And some fresh strawberries today morning. Just picked a few strawberries. It's actually very cool and very sweet. Well, guys, that's it from me. My lovely short trip to Panchgani and Mahableshwar has come to an end. It's time for me to hit the road and head back to Mumbai. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed my experiences here. And I hope you also visit someday and try out some of these experiences, especially going strawberry picking. That's one of my favorite things to do when I'm in Mahableshwar. Well, this is the Gallivanting Soul signing off. I will see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.